The study of gesture has become very sophisticated. There was a time in my early student years when I felt that gestures were simply a matter of my expression, that gestures were simply a matter of showing something that I felt about the music, and I did the best I could to represent that music and those sounds in some kind of magical movement that coordinated everybody to me. However, science has played a big role in now informing us more about the depth of what gestures really mean. And it comes with somatic sensory and proprioception. These two words have a neurological and deeply internalized function and process. When we bring our audiation to light, when we have an awareness through our audiation of music, our body immediately starts to react to that. Very deeply in our neural system, we start to formulate a gesture. Our body starts to move. Our neurons start to fire, and we get a picture inside our body of how to adjust to that imagination, to that audiation. So the somatic sensory is actually the beginning of a physical movement that occurs as the result of the information of audiation. Proprioception is actually the ability for the body to spatially coordinate that movement into a specific place in the air. So for example, proprioception would be if I close my eyes and I raise my hand to my nose, my ability to move my hand and eventually end up at my nose, my forehead, wherever, is the result of that ability through proprioception. Now, it's what allows us to walk. It allows us to have movement of our feet forward and touch the ground and be stable and not fall down. It allows us to eat, to move the food from the plate to our mouth. There are many examples in day-to-day life about this gestural implication of somatic sensory and proprioception. In conducting, I think we take it to a very refined level, that our audiation is translated into a specific gesture, a place in which our hand moves in a particular way, which is informed by our vowel imagination, or the preferred vowel that we're trying to replicate, loudness, softness, rhythm, all of the musical elements, and where our hand ends up in the air in the form of a gesture is the result of proprioception and somatic sensory.